How's it going? Good. Doing on this?
Dude, we got pummeled.
Well, yeah, with rain? Yeah.
My water box is ready though.
Your what?
Water box.
Water box.
You can do a burnout, the Mustang.
Oh yeah? Let's do it. What we got going on here is the typical
oh no.
Typical.
No typical. Rebuild. No. Jimmy.
Stock rebuild?
No. Who do you think we are?
You did new valve stem seals. That's what it is.
You're getting closer.
Yeah?
Really close. Yeah. You're getting closer though. Weird.
Rodix heads.
I know. Those are factory heads. Factory. Dude, I don't know where you're talking about. Those are, I just put the stamp on there myself.
Interesting.
Like the port job, I did that with my mouth.
Your mouth?
My mouth, like just super port. I put some water in there.
So now when people ask what that mouth do, you know what to say.
I got it. I'm gonna call this one now. 8:30. 8:30? 8:30.
Not in today's weather. It better fucking cool off a little bit.
I'm gonna go with, we're gonna ice this one down real good.
Gotta make your own atmosphere.
I'm gonna say 8:45. I'll call you a liar. That ain't happening. I didn't think that other. What if it was a 427?
It'd be way more. It'd be like 300 cubic inches more. Yeah.
Gotta let it warm up a little.
Uh-huh. That's a weird smelling tire.
There's a crowd!
Crowd, no! It's a pretty sweet twin turbocharged baby or crowd killer you got here.
I know, it's a little crowd killer.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing's so fun.
It sounds good.
It's so easy to do because the factory line lock, you're just.
Must be nice to have factory line lock.
I know, it is nice.
That's pretty cool. I like it.
That's pretty good rubber.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's I guess these Mickeys are. Well, I guess they're zero tread wear, so.
Yeah, but they're about
crowds right there. It smells great.
All right.
Why does it smell like pasta?
Pasta, right? It smells weird.
It smells like pasta.
I don't know about. It smells weird. I don't know if it smells like pasta.
It's like cheesy rubber. Oh, it's a Tara.
I was gonna say that's why.
With the line lock, you're literally just like, yeah. And then you hit the OK button and it just releases.
That's so cool. You hit the OK button?
You never ran that car down the drag strip? No. Dude, you sit there with the line, like, so you hit OK, it energizes.
You on the drag strip?
Yeah, I ran it. I went like 10 forward, like 140 or something.
Really?
Like 143, 142.
Tucson?
So you put the line lock mode in, you hit OK and you hold it and it like energizes, you release, then you put your foot on the brake, that builds up, and then you hit OK and you feel it pulsate the brakes, and then you just It gives you 15 seconds to
That's so cool.
just start to count down. And then whenever you want to be done, you hit OK and it releases and you can just roll forward.
That's pretty
Interesting. Wow. Very interesting. I didn't realize that they were that involved. I thought it was just like a button you press or something.
I guess if they're going to do it in the factory, they got to be like, are you sure? Are you really sure?
Yeah.
That jumped quite a bit.
Yeah. That's crazy up top.
That's 90 horsepower.
Throw some timing at it down low. Get that up there.
Oh, I will.
Joe the tuner now.
Oh
Listen, we're not going to go to a bigger blower and lose low end.
It does come in softer.
You know.
It needs timing.
I know it does.
The way Whipples are designed are...
Alright, so let me get that right there
God,
to
it's
go.
like 100 up top.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot of power up top. That's a lot of curve.
Now, granted, it is about 2 pounds higher, but
Crazy ass monsoon.
Love
Mother
it.
Nature just acting all weird.
What?
Mother Nature acting all weird.
I don't know, raining and shit. What's that water coming out of the sky?
I'm trying to figure that out because we've got 3 fuel sources that I have to blend together in a smooth transition. Yeah.
Easy.
And I got to do it without fucking up the torque model so the transmission's happy.
So tell the injectors to not open it.
Yes, but when I tell them to not open as much, okay, so where I've got them crossing, if I change that point or try and scale it in one way or another, then it's going to change how the math comes in versus where I trim it out.
It's so weird. It just doesn't make sense. You'd think it'd be able to, okay, this is when they come on, but I'm just turning the lights
They come
down.
on softly, and it's literally, it's like redoing all of it. If I have to touch that, then I get to redo everything, which I'm really trying to avoid.
No, I get it.
Because then I get to look at the torque model and go, oh, okay, so this isn't working either. Now I get to scale this back up.
Yeah, the torque model is the part that takes the longest, right?
It's the part that takes the longest, and to make it happy with the automatic transmission, it's the super important part. If it was a manual transmission, no, piece of cake, you know. I don't even have to worry about it. This is a bit different.
Still hot?
Oh no, I mean that's a little warm, but this isn't going to get cold until air starts traveling. This is nice.
I'm getting all 4 back in this bit. And you better, as soon as IT stops going down,
Yeah, I'm gonna cruise it up until the IAT's neutralized, and then I'm f***ing on it.
Actually, let's see what raising my fingers up.
the intakes, yeah, they should be real cold. Yeah, they're frosty.
I don't know if more is going to do more better.
Reach the saturation point.
I don't think I've reached it.
No.
We're going for 4 bags.
It needs all the help we get today.
Yep, that's for sure. Those lines are still cold.
What's that?
Those lines are still cold.
Oh, I believe it. It got down to 65 degrees.
Wow.
On the intake air temp.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Good ride, Heidi.
Yeah.
Good ride.
It actually looks pretty good. I read a whole lot of stuff about anti-roll bars last night.
Did you really?
Yeah, because I was like, why do you need an anti-roll bar if you have a sway bar, you know?
Yeah.
And I thought it was super interesting how it transfers the power from the passenger back wheel to the driver's front wheel.
Yeah.
It's like, how does it do that? Yeah. And it's really weird the way
it plants it,
works.
you know, it's kind of like a horse when you're riding a horse.
I didn't make that connection, and they were like talking about it and talking all the physics about it. I'm like, that's insane. Like, there's a lot of shit that goes into that.
You're pulling and pushing and look up instant center. That gets crazy.
Yeah.
That's the instant
It's just the center of gravity, right?
No, not really. It's where the car's being accelerated. So imagine this. Imagine you have a refrigerator. Okay, you have a giant refrigerator. You want to pull it the most efficient way possible.
Okay.
Okay. So now imagine you have this rope that can go through the fridge and lock into any position you want it. So here's your fridge. There's your fridge right there. Let's say you want to pull it from this exact point right there. And you have your string right here. You pull it. What's gonna happen? It's gonna hop backwards. It's gonna fucking fall on its face. Now let's say you put the string up here. You pull it. It's gonna tip forward. It's gonna blow the tires off.
Yeah.
Now let's say you have it right where my tip of my finger is. Okay. So this rope, magic rope, goes through here and it pulls it from there. Pulls it. It's gonna tip forward because the center of gravity is lower than that. Now let's say my finger goes halfway through the water, and that's where the point of pull would be, and you pull from there. It would accelerate, no spill, nothing. It would stay smooth and fluid.
Interesting.
Just flat. Perfect. That would be instant center. That's where it's being pulled from. That's where all the power is being delivered.
Okay.